Is your air conditioning making strange noises? Those sounds could mean something isn't right. This is where Tempo comes in. Our HVAC specialists know exactly what to listen for. A small sound could be a big sign of something starting to fail. Our team doesn't just fix, we explain. We take the time to get it right. When we're done, your air conditioning sounds like this. Nothing. Trusted professionals, real people who care about your home. Tempo, HVAC experts you can hear, even when everything's quiet.